Hello everyone, I am Harkamal Kaur. Now in our today's class we are going to discuss question number 3 of class 6 exercise 12.1. तो let's start the class. So सबसे पहला question है हमारे पास यहाँ पे question number 3. See the figure and find the ratio. What's the question? See the figure and find the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circle inside the rectangle. So this is a figure. Okay, so here this is the rectangle, right, in which opposite sides are same. Okay, we have to find the ratio of the number of triangles. Here is the number of triangles, this one, and this one, right? Number of triangles to the number of circle inside the rectangle. Okay, so firstly we have to check how many number of triangles are there. Okay, so here it is 1, here it is 2 and 3, right? So number of triangles is 3, right? So next we have to check the circles. Okay, how many circles are there? So number of circle is equal to how many? 1 and 2, right? So there are 2 circles, right? So what we have to find? We have to find the ratio of the number of triangles to the number of circles, right? Is equal to number of triangles divided by number of circles, right? How many triangles are there? 3, right? We have find 3 triangles are there, and number of circles are 2, right? 3 divided by 2, we get the ratio 3:2, right? So next we have to find the ratio of the number of squares. Wait. We have to find the ratio of the number of squares to the number of all figures. Okay, so we have to check the ratio of the number of squares to the number of all figures, right? So here it is. So tell me the total number of figures. We have to find firstly the number of squares. How many squares are there? Here it is 1, here it is 2, right? There are 2 squares, right? And they are asking for the ratio of the number of squares to the all figures inside the rectangle. Okay, how many figures are there in a rectangle? They are asking all figures. Okay, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many figures are there in a rectangle? There are 7, right? So so what we write? Write down the number of squares is equal to 2, right? The number of all figures is 7, so we can find the ratio. Therefore the ratio of the number of squares to the number of all figures is equal to number of square divided by number of all figures. Okay, here we get number of squares we have find is 2 and number of all figures is 7, so we get 2:7, right? So in the next, what are they asking? They are asking to find the ratio of the number of circles. We have find how many circles are there? 1, 2, right? To the all figures inside the rectangle. Okay, all figures all figures inside the rectangles are 7. We have already find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So put the values here. Ratio of the number of circle to the number of all figures is equal to number of circle divided by number of all figures. We get is equal to number of circle is 2, number of all figures is 7, so we get answer is 2:7. So if you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.